how to fix Share Location Unavailable on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. Today we're tackling a frustrating issue that many iPhone users run into, the Share Location Unavailable error. If you have been trying to share your location with friends or family and keep seeing this pop up, you're in the right place. So, this can happen for a couple of different reasons. And the most common culprit is related to your iPhone's location settings. So, let's dive right in. Open up your settings app and then scroll down and head over to privacy and security. And once you're there, tap on location services and make sure that it is enabled. So if it is enabled, it is green in color as shown in the screen. This is the most crucial step. If location services are turned off, your iPhone simply can't share your location. Now, if your location services are already on, then you can scroll down and check locations for specific app. For example, let's go to Chrome. So if it is set to never like this, you can set it to ask next time or while using the app. You can even toggle on precise location. It will help the app to use your specific location. So this is how you resolve the issue. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.